Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that blends vintage prestige with modern engineering, the 1961 Lincoln Continental, reimagined for 2025, in a stunning deep black finish. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling piece of American luxury history reborn for today's roads. The original 1961 Continental was already legendary for its clean, slab-sided design, rear-hinged suicide doors, and its role as a symbol of mid-century elegance. Now, in 2025, Lincoln has resurrected it with cutting-edge technology, updated performance, and an interior that keeps the charm of the original while offering comfort and safety that modern drivers demand. Whether you're a fan of classic design, a collector seeking the perfect showpiece, or someone who appreciates the art of blending retro style with future-ready mechanics, this review will take you through every detail of what makes this modern Continental such a showstopper. So, buckle up and let's cruise into the world of elegance and innovation. Exterior. From the first glance, the black paintwork sets the mood, deep, rich, and reflective, almost like a polished grand piano on wheels. The lines are instantly recognizable to anyone familiar with the 1961 original. That long, low profile remains intact, stretching out to nearly 18 feet, giving the car a commanding presence on the road. The slab-sided body panels are as crisp as ever, but now they're formed from lightweight aluminum alloy for better efficiency and durability. The front grille retains its bold rectangular shape, but in the 2025 version, it's framed with a subtle chrome surround and features a modern, mesh-style insert with hidden active shutters for improved aerodynamics. The iconic Lincoln emblem sits proudly at the center, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that mimic the original stacked light arrangement but deliver razor-sharp illumination. Moving along the side, you'll notice those signature rear-hinged back doors have made a triumphant return. Lincoln kept the proportions and door handles true to the 1961 aesthetic, but integrated keyless entry and soft-close mechanisms. The glasshouse design remains expansive, with slender pillars that give a panoramic feel from the inside, while the chrome detailing along the window line adds a touch of jewelry-like refinement. Large, polished 20-inch turbine-style wheels nod to the old-school luxury vibe while concealing modern regenerative braking systems behind them. At the rear, the horizontal taillight strip pays homage to the original's wide rear fascia, now updated with a continuous LED light bar that glows in a deep red hue. The trunk lid still carries that clean, uncluttered look, but hides a power-assisted opening mechanism and a surprisingly generous luggage compartment. Even the bumper integrates seamlessly with the body, maintaining the Continental's signature understated elegance. Step inside, and you're instantly transported to a world where craftsmanship meets modern technology. Lincoln has managed to retain the 1961 Continental's lounge-like atmosphere while elevating it to a 21st-century luxury experience. The first thing you notice is the wide, flat dashboard with a horizontal layout, just like the original, but now upholstered in premium semi-aniline leather with double-stitched seams. A strip of genuine American walnut runs across its width, and embedded within it is a modern, curved 15-inch OLED display that blends so seamlessly into the design that it almost disappears when not in use. The steering wheel is a two-spoke design, large and elegant, with a chrome horn ring reminiscent of the classic, yet it's heated, leather-wrapped, and equipped with haptic touch controls for audio, navigation, and adaptive cruise. The seats are an absolute indulgence. Wide, plush, and covered in perforated leather with diamond quilting, offering 30-way power adjustment, heating, cooling, and massage functions for all 4 passengers. Yes, 4 passengers, because the Continental stays true to its original philosophy. It's a luxury cruiser meant to pamper everyone, not just the driver. Between the front seats, the center console flows back to the rear, housing dual wireless charging pads, a refrigerated compartment, and a touch panel for climate and seat controls for rear occupants. The door panels feature leather, walnut, and brushed aluminum, with ambient lighting strips that can be customized to 64 colors. Even the rear hinge doors open wide enough to make entry and exit feel ceremonial, and Lincoln has fitted them with power-assisted open and close for effortless operation. The sound system is a 22-speaker Revel Ultima 3D setup that turns the cabin into a concert hall, while active noise cancellation ensures that outside traffic sounds never disturb the serenity. The panoramic glass roof stretches almost the full length of the car, with electrochromic dimming for privacy. Everything inside feels substantial, smooth, and refined, with an undeniable sense of occasion every time you climb in. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Continental offers a choice between two powertrains, but the model we're reviewing today comes with the flagship setup, a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 hybrid system producing a combined 500 horsepower and 550 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid layout pairs the gasoline engine with a high-output electric motor, delivering instant torque for smooth, effortless acceleration. From a standstill, it can reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, remarkably quick for a full-size luxury sedan weighing in at nearly 5,200 pounds. Power is sent to all four wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission tuned for buttery-smooth shifts. There are multiple drive modes, from Comfort to Sport Plus, and an adaptive air suspension system that can lower the ride height for better aerodynamics on the highway or raise it slightly for easier entry and exit. Steering is light but precise, with rear-wheel steering helping maneuver this long vehicle through tighter city streets. The hybrid battery pack provides an electric-only range of about 40 miles, making short city trips entirely emissions-free. Regenerative braking feels natural and blends seamlessly with traditional braking, and Lincoln has managed to keep the transition between electric and gasoline power almost imperceptible. Out on the open road, the Continental glides with an almost supernatural smoothness, absorbing bumps effortlessly while keeping the cabin whisper quiet. On winding roads, the chassis feels more composed than you'd expect for such a large luxury cruiser, thanks to modern suspension geometry and torque vectoring. Fuel economy is impressive for its size and power, delivering an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined when using the hybrid system efficiently. But let's be honest, buyers of this car aren't just looking for economy, they're here for the experience, and in that department, the Continental delivers in spades. Prices. Now, let's talk about what it takes to own a piece of modernized history. The 2025 Lincoln Continental 1961 edition starts at around $110,000 for the base hybrid model, but the fully loaded black label trim, like the one we've reviewed here, pushes closer to $135,000. That price includes the bespoke black paint finish, the highest-grade leather interiors, the advanced Revel audio system, and Lincoln's full suite of driver assistance features like hands-free highway driving, 360-degree camera systems, and collision avoidance technology. For collectors, the value goes beyond just the spec sheet. This is a limited production model, with Lincoln only producing 1,961 units globally to honor the original's debut year. That means this car isn't just transportation, it's an investment. And when you combine exclusivity with stunning design, luxury craftsmanship, and modern performance, you get a package that's worth every penny to the right buyer. In the end, the 1961 Lincoln Continental Reborn for 2025 is more than a nostalgic throwback, it's proof that timeless design can live on and even thrive in the modern age. It's an elegant, commanding presence on the road, a sanctuary of luxury inside, and a surprisingly capable performer when you want it to be. This is the kind of car you don't just drive, you arrive in. Hey friends! If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel directly, you can use the Super Thanks button down below red heart. It lets you send me a special thank you that shows up as a highlighted comment sparkles. I personally reply to every super thanks, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video raising hands. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep making awesome content. Thank you so much, Red Heart.